Hey everyone, Dan here. I wanted to make a video about one of the 3D printing projects I'm doing for 1/10 scale RCs. Some of you guys have seen the stuff I've made for 1/24 scale, and so I've got some of my 1/24 scale obstacles going on the CR10 Max right now, and this is a sneak peek at another 24th scale obstacle that I'm making. Stay tuned for that. There'll be a video coming for that soon. But I wanted to keep doing 1/10 scale even in the wintertime. So in the summer and the fall, I added a whole bunch of aftermarket accessories to my TRX4, and it really made it crawl fantastic. And I wanted to keep pushing it into the winter, and now that we've got like real deal cold weather going on, I wanted to do something so I could keep playing indoors, and my son and I can keep pushing our trucks to the limit here. So what I've done, take this guy off, what I've done is I made a two-piece obstacle, and each side of the obstacle has a different profile with a peak and a valley that are spaced at the wheelbase of the TRX4. So what that does is it makes one tire high and one tire low in the front, and then in the back, the opposite tire is low and the opposite tire is high. So this causes you to twist one side down and to the right, one side down and to the left, or vice versa, and that allows you to really challenge your ability to keep your truck stuck to the ground. It also really challenges the torque transfer. If you don't have locking diffs, this thing can be really challenging. So I'm gonna fire this up and we'll show you how it works. So there you can see what happens when you have no locking diff. And here we're going to lock the diff and get going. Boom. Locking differential, and that incredible Hobby Wing Fusion Quick Run Pro. Super low speed control. Get you right up and over. Yeah. Okay, let's watch this from behind. Go a little bit faster this time. Got the diffs locked right from the start. Right up and over. You see the back tire pop a little bit there. I think I've got these two profiles just right so that I'm challenging this stock TRX4 suspension system. There's a fair amount of brass and aluminum on there, so it's holding them down a little bit better, but I haven't changed the shocks. So you might have seen that back tire lift off for just a second. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's just testing this modified rig. And maybe we should give it a try with the stock TRX4. All right, here we go with the modified TRX4. So you have that fantastic low speed control with the Hobby Wing Quick Run Fusion Pro, and you'll see we articulate and we stay attached nicely, but I might rub the body. Yeah, there we go. So this is what it looks like. You can see I rub the body, and without my locking diffs, I'm just spinning. I'm gonna lock the diffs. Now we'll get going again. And yeah, there's the lift. yank out of the body, probably bottom out. But sometimes that's crawling and you gotta keep going. And it handles it pretty well. Alright, let's try it in another direction. Cruise control, diffs are locked. So this is pretty fast. And that's handling that pretty well. One of the rear tires lifted off again. Yeah, not bad. Alright, so who thinks that their TRX4 or Axial SC10 is going to do anything better than that? I'd love to hear which trucks you think are going to do the best. And I've already started printing a couple extra of these. They'll be up on the Etsy page as soon as this video is posted. Or maybe the next day. Alright, have fun.